When you're ready to hand your work in, when you're finished with it, and you need to send it from Adobe Illustrator over to your PowerPoint file, here's what you're going to do. This is a little different than it was last time because we have the multiple artboards. So here's what you're going to do. File, export. Oops, I'm in QuickTime. Let me try that again. File, export, and go to export as. Okay, export as. And it's going to bring up this, this dialog box. It's going to give you a variety of options. And the first option at the very top is a PNG. And that's a very good format for saving on the web. It's very, very small amount of space. And the other thing it does is that it'll save your image with the transparent background, just like we saw on our last one. Before you click export, though, this is a very important step, and if you skip this step, you're going to be confused. Click on Use Artboards. Okay, so what this is telling it when you click Use Artboards is that it's going to know that you want it to make 5 different PNG files. And that's what it's going to do. It's going to make 5 different PNG files. Just leave it where it says all. Of course, if you had more than 5 artboards and you only wanted to export 5 of them, you could, select which ones you wanted to export here, and click on Export. Okay, and then just a screen at 72 ppi is perfectly fine. And then background color transparent, that's perfectly fine. Tell it OK. And then you can open up your PowerPoint template. So here's the same template that I've given you. And of course, you put your name there. That goes without saying. So on each page, I have given you a little holder picture. Little spacer copy that you need to remove and replace with your own work. Okay. I put a little white background on it for you that you might want to just leave this little white square because remember that your PNG is going to have a transparent background. So if you want this to show up against white instead of the black background, don't delete the square. Or if you actually accidentally delete it, make another one. And then it's just a matter of adding your picture. Okay, so what it's done is it's saved my demo. You can see there's 5 PNGs. Actually, there's 6. Ignore the last one. There's 5 PNGs here. Demo 1 with Mr. Green, Demo 2 with Mr. Blue, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so that should be easy enough. I don't know why that one came up when I wanted number 1, but it doesn't matter for me. And then, of course, don't forget you need to change the, the emoji name and give me a meaning for each of these as well. Okay. So basically what I'm doing, I'm replacing my own artwork with my own artwork. So I'm not going to do all 5 of them. I think that shows you enough what you need to see. Okay, so from there, that's it. Then you just save your PowerPoint. Don't forget to, after you save it, export it as a PDF. Okay, that's very important. And then just load it up on the discussion board. That's all you need to do.